Good evening, little one. Tonight, look up at the sky. Do you see that soft, glowing circle? The moon. It's been there all day, waiting for the world to grow quiet, so it can shine just for you. When you ride in the car at night, have you noticed how the moon seems to follow you? No matter how fast you go, no matter how many turns the road takes, the moon is always there, smiling softly through the window. But here's a secret. It's not really following you. It only looks that way because the moon is so far away. It doesn't move with the car. It stays still while we move beneath it. It's called perspective, a little trick of distance and light. But even if it's not really following you, doesn't it feel nice to think it does? Like a quiet friend who doesn't speak but never leaves. Sometimes, the most comforting things in life don't move toward us. They simply stay and wait for us to notice them. So tonight, when you see the moon outside your window, remember its secret mirror. You're moving, it's not. But its light will always find you. Wherever you are, whoever you're becoming. Sleep well, little one. The moon is watching over you. Good night.